everybody? The Ozark Thrifter here. We're doing another model review for you guys. So, as you saw in the last video, here's the Mimikyu that we put together. If you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it. It was a fun build. So we're going to be doing another one today. So we're going to move Piplup and Mimikyu over here to the corner, and I am going to show you what we are doing today. Here it is, guys. Gengar. Let me bring it up to the camera so you guys can see it. This is one that I bought online. This is a 2020 model. So yeah, might be a little bit different than the one we just did, but like I said, trying to collect all these. Sorry for the light, but yeah. So no paint, no tools, no glue, which we are going to use a tool. You don't have to, but we are. So right here in my trusty little box, and guys, in the other video, I told you about this little box, but I didn't tell you where I got it from, minus the glue. Don't count the glue, but the box contents come from Amazon. It's just a little model, Gundam model building kit box or something like that. It's pretty cool. I think it was like 10 bucks. And what you really want are the nippers. These are the nippers that came in the box. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but they are kind of thick, which is fine. But these are the ones that I'm using right now. They're just a little thinner. These are Mr. Tools from Hobby Lobby, but these are great for getting into it. They're really expensive. Plus, you get the whole kit, the sand, the sanding stick and all that kind of stuff with it as well. And we're going to get our pliers out. These are actually really nice. ESD 15s, really fine. We're going to use those for the decals. So let's get this box open. Alright guys, so we got it all popped out for the most part. There is a couple pieces over here that you can kind of change. I'll probably just kind of put those up if I ever want to change it. I'll probably end up keeping the box because of the posable pieces. So anyways, let's get to putting it together. you have Gengar, all done. So his hands and arms are movable, and his feet are posable. And like I said, you can do this tongue or this tongue here. I'll go ahead and clip it out. These extra pieces and decals over here in case I want to pose him different later on. It's always fun to do different poses. Set him in there like that. So there you have it, guys. I'll throw some pics up of Gengar in just a second. And let me know in the comments what you think about this kit. It is a little bit of a bigger kit. I mean, not as far as bigger goes. It's got more pieces. Here's your Mimikyu that we've done. Here's the Gengar in my hands side by side. So as you see, the Gengar is actually pretty big. Like I said, we could clean up some of these spots. There's some nub spots that we can clean up. Not gonna really worry about that in this video. I'm not painting him or anything. If I was painting him, I would sand him down and everything. But he looks pretty cool out of the box. There's the Piplup and the Gengar, which is really cool because he's actually posable, kind of like my Pikachu is. So you have to actually balance him out to get him to stand up or slide his feet around. Yeah, really cool. Really cool, guys. Like, subscribe to the video if you enjoy this. If you enjoy this build, let me know in the comments below your favorite Pokemon. We're gonna have more videos to come. I still have a couple of more of these left. Here's a sneak peek. I have an Alcremie. Yeah, pretty cool. 17 parts on this one. And then I also have a Bulbasaur that I ordered. And then we'll get into some fun stuff. I got some Dragon Ball Z and some, I got some Gunplas that we're gonna get ready to do. So thank you. Enjoy the pictures. I'm gonna pose him a little bit, take some photos, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. And to remember, follow your dreams.